What do you think of when I say apps? If you're like me, your mouth might start watering and you think of your favorite restaurant appetizer. But I'm talking about apps on your phone. Although, there are apps on your phone that can help you with the other types of apps. Some restaurant apps let you make reservations, order ahead for pickup, or see what they have on their menu. These days there's an app for everything. There's boatloads of apps. Which apps do you need? How do you find them? Do they cost money? Are they safe? This one looks like it does the same thing as that one. Which one is better? Welcome to the Let's Connect Tech Minute A to Z on apps. It all starts with heading to the appropriate app store. On Apple iOS or Amazon devices, that's the App Store. On Android, that's the Play Store. When you get there, you'll see a curated page with the most popular apps for your devices. Browse and you may find interesting apps there. You can also browse by categories if you don't know exactly what you're looking for but have a general idea of what you want. If you know exactly the app you want, you can search for it by name to get to it quickly. Once you have found an app you want to install, take a look at the details. It will usually have screenshots of what the app looks like or maybe videos. Check out the About the app to see the features of the app and also how big the app is to download and store. Read the ratings and reviews of people who have used the app. Pay attention to lower-rated reviews as they tend to highlight problems with the app. Some apps are free and you can install them without a cost. Others are free to install but may have in-app purchases for freemium features that you need to pay for to unlock. This will be indicated on the app page before you install the app. Other apps cost money to install. These are premium apps and you need to purchase them via the payment method, usually a credit card you have set up in the store. Once the app is installed, it will be on one of your phone screens or your app drawer. You can usually find it by searching for it and clicking on the icon. Some apps will need permission to access your camera, location, and other hardware of your phone in order to work properly. It's best practice to grant permission to the app only while using the app unless the app says it needs access all the time. It should let you know. There are so many apps out there that do so many different things and your phone can get overloaded. So what happens if you have fallen out of love with an app and the magic is gone? Find the icon for the app and press and hold it. A menu will come up. Select App Info. Click Storage to see how much space the app is using on your device. From there you can clear the cache to remove temporary data. This can help if the app is misbehaving. You can also clear all data, and that will basically reset the app to when you first downloaded it. Be careful of doing this because you will need to probably sign in again and change any app settings that you modified. If you want to completely remove the app, click the uninstall button and poof, it will be gone. You can always find it in the App Store and install it again later. So happy apping, and Pastor will tell you more about Bible apps to help you read, study, and listen to the Word of God.